This is no nonsense. Goodbye to earwax with this home remedy. Earwax is a naturally occurring substance whose purpose is to protect the ears from bacteria and other agents that could harm them. Earwax protects the ear canal by trapping dirt and slowing the growth of bacteria. However, earwax can build up and cause discomfort in the ear, so you should clean and remove excess wax. Too much wax in the ears can cause pain, ringing in the ear, decreased hearing, fullness or itching. This accumulation of earwax is usually caused by cleaning the ears with cotton swabs, which instead of wiping clog the wax and pushing it into the ear, as well as people wearing hearing aids or earplugs for ears are more likely to suffer from an accumulation of wax. To prevent the accumulation of wax, it is important to clean the ears regularly and remove excess earwax, and for this you can make use of some of the following natural remedies. 1. Saline solution. Add 1 teaspoon salt to 1/2 cup warm water and mix until completely dissolved. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and squeeze a few drops of it into the ear by slightly tilting your head up. Hold that position for a few seconds for salt water to enter the ear. Then tilt your head to the opposite side to drain the solution from your ear. 2. Hydrogen peroxide. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide, should not exceed 3%, and water. Put a few drops of the mixture into the ear by tilting the head to one side. Let it act for a few seconds, and then tilt the head to the opposite side.